Hernia Belt, by Everyday Medical. Inguinal Hernia Belt for Men. Review. Are you looking for inguinal hernia truss for men, for effective relief from pain and discomfort? Inguinal Hernia Belt, by Everyday Medical, is ideal to reduce discomfort and provide all the support you need. What Inguinal Hernia Belt, by Everyday Medical, is good for? It's ideal for inguinal hernia, inner groin, incisional hernia, resulting from an incision around the groin, and femoral hernia, outer groin. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. Effective inguinal hernia relief. Provides effective relief from pain and discomfort pre or post hernia surgery by adding compression to the affected area. Helps in recovery and reducing discomfort to maintain an active lifestyle with all the support you need all day. Works for both left and right side. Unlike standard inguinal hernia briefs for men and women, this adjustable hernia support belt can work on either left or right side hernias by making a simple adjustment to experience pain relief and dual side protection. Comfortable and adjustable. This hernia support truss for men and women is designed with a flexible waist and an adjustable groin straps. Can be worn on the left or the right side to ensure maximum comfort, the perfect compression and tightness level. Wear under your clothes. With a slim and low profile, along with using the best elastic and breathable materials, this hernia belt ergonomically conforms to your body for maximum comfort and minimal exposure while wearing under your clothes. Easily goes on and off. Plus, fully adjustable. The truss easily comes on and off for added comfort and flexibility. Adjustable, medical-grade closure mechanism secures it in place when on. You can adjust the waistband, groin band, and compression pads location to achieve the perfect pressure level in the exact location which is desired. Based on over 120 customer reviews and overall 4.6 star rating on Amazon. Inguinal Hernia Belt, by Everyday Medical, is perfect for helping you cope with the pain of a reducible hernia. Here is what some of the users have to say about it. Comfortable, yet snug. I've been wearing this hernia belt for a few days. I got it after throwing out a different hernia belt that was giving me chafing. This belt stays snug, but gives me a lot of comfort. So far, so good. The cushion makes it very comfortable. So, I have no complaints so far. Although, it's only been a few days. I was nervous about getting the right size, but the size chart made it easy for me to measure myself, and the fit is adjustable. So, it's not that big a deal. It's easy to take off at the end of the day. And, like I said, it's comfortable as heck, unlike my previous belt. Good value. Says Ian W. Franson, New York. More comfortable than other belts. Recovered from inguinal hernia, this belt allows me to go to gym without ripping any of my abs post-surgery. The padding on it is unlike the other belts, it is soft yet firm. This gives me more comfort for a longer time. Says Dave. Perfectly soft hernia guard. It's been a few days of use, and so far, it's been perfect. It goes on easily, but stays once tightened. And the soft material helps it from rubbing my skin painfully. The cushion is the perfect hardness, and it's good that it doesn't push too hard. Says Joshua. Works well to hold the hernia in. The piece that goes between the legs is a poor design. Very uncomfortable. But it gets the job done. Says Patty. Caution before buying. This truss will not stay in place and slips down off your hips. The underleg strap is too short and very hard to fasten behind your back. It was a waste of money for me. Says Gerald. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.